to the right side, please. So
I thought it went by the back one. I thought.
No. So as you can see, 3. What that means is only 3% of the outside ambient light is getting through your window. Okay, that's why they do that way. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? 2513. 1038, please. This is the application for a certificate of title.
Yeah.
This
is not too much.
This is the registration right here.
Okay.
It's saying it's I guess your birthday's probably on the 5th. Is it? Yeah. So ultimately it's technically expired.
Yeah.
But we don't cite for that. There's case law that says it goes to the end of the month.
Yeah.
So you need to get that changed.
Yeah, well,
right?
I'm doing this new project down here, that homeless community thing they doing.
Okay.
I'm building that there, working down there, building on that and stuff.
Okay.
So I'll be through the area all the time.
All right. Well, yeah, make sure you get that updated. And do you have the insurance card?
Because I did it over the phone, and they pulled the faxed everything over. And they sent it to my baby mama address, and I ain't been dealing with her. I got to probably go back there and get it.
Do you have an app or anything? You should be able to get it on an app if you've got you sign into the app.
Yeah.
I just gotta check and make sure it's good.
Yeah, it's good. I just paid that sucker.
Okay. Why are you nervous?
Oh, I don't know. She's caught.
Huh?
No, ain't no reason. I think I got bad nerve. I ain't got no reason to be nervous. So. Just my nerves.
What's that?
Just I got bad nerves. So.
Okay. There's no need to be nervous, man.
Yeah, man. 'Cause I was wondering, I was like, I did. I thought it was the light or something. Looking like, no, I ain't running the light.
10.
Yeah.
It's pet peeve of mine. I was just trying to see where you were going because it's seriously unsafe to be pulling cars over there, man. So I don't never do it.
That's what I was wondering. Like,
I try and follow somebody till they get in a safe area.
Oh, okay.
For me, you know,
yeah.
and then I attempt to stop.
Get to this hurricane. This tape sucker, I know that on Facebook.
Yeah, we don't need Facebook.
Infinity Auto Insurance.
Unless you want to Facebook Live us and be like, hey.
I'm going to my email.
Why do you start?
I think it comes to my email. I just paid it.
It's also going to be about time for you to get a new license.
Yeah, I know I get all that stuff straightened out. I've been so busy, man.
Right? No,
I got to take a day off.
I feel you. Y'all working today?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately, today being your day off, everything else is closed too.
Just pay yourself, see?
sorry.
Yeah, already, huh? I paid it already, huh?
Awesome. All right. Mr. Rudolph,
Yes, sir.
is there any reason why there would be a faint of weed coming out of your vehicle? Do you smoke? Do you have any friends that smoke? Anything like that?
No, sir. Just black and mild. Probably black and mild smoke. Just black and mild.
No, I know the difference between black and mild smoke and this and that. Do you have any marijuana in the car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's no marijuana in the car at all? Okay. And do you have a Florida health card that allows you to smoke medical marijuana?
No, sir.
No?
Okay. Just black and mild. Just left on.
What's that?
Just left the Walmart up on.
Okay. Yeah, I did too. I had to go to the bathroom, something fierce.
Oh, that was you I seen back then. I just rolled through there.
You see me go in there, go to the bathroom, come back out.
Okay, I just rolled through and dropped the chick off at work in there. Yeah, okay. I seen the car back then, but I don't think now. First thing in the morning.
All right. Can you do me a favor and just shut the car off for me?
What happened, sir?
Huh? Well, I smell marijuana, and you don't have a card, so I'm not. Listen. I'm not concerned with some personal use stuff, man. It doesn't even warrant my time.
Marijuana, black and mild. I'm smoking a black and mild.
Would you mind shutting the car off, please?